Well, she was stopped for a little while, but she's starting up again. This is a CSX line that's been leased to the Lake State. And we're just outside of Milford, Michigan. Stop for this train on a crossing a few miles back, and it was really creeping along. The good old-fashioned mixed freight. The Lake State engine there is really clean. They did a nice job on it. String of hoppers. Comes some tank cars. I know the last quarter of the train was all car carriers. Why she slowed down to a stop, I'm not sure. The line is double tracked right here. There's a load of, looks like telephone poles. That's indeed what they are. A couple of cars full of telephone poles there. So the days of the mixed freight are not over. Glad I modeled a transition error and I don't have to worry about adding all that graffiti to my cars. A couple of gondolas. Following the gondolas, it looks like just trash in that one, that open hopper there. A green boxcar looks like it's been around for quite a while. Still making some revenue. And here comes those car carriers that we were stopped for at the crossing back a ways. One thing about living in Michigan, you do see your share of car carriers. There are actually more car carriers than I was aware of there. They are all empty as I look through them. This line goes upstate from here, the direction the train is coming from, and I believe the line goes down towards Toledo when you follow the other the direction it's moving. And here comes the end. A couple competitors' cars there, a BNSF and a Union Pacific back to back. Norfolk Southern in front of it. And there she goes.